Why should facilities personnel spend their time on relief and flare core? If we are interested in process safety, we need to understand the basics of relief and flare, including depressuring. The Marsh Incident Database, published every year, consistently shows fire and explosion as the leading cause of loss in most of the major incidents. Although sufficient capacity is almost always provided in the initial design and in major modifications, the cumulative effect of small changes can also be significant. Our understanding of relief and flare also affects how we operate and maintain our facilities, and how we respond to emergencies. Do we understand the circumstances under which we can or cannot rely on our relief system to prevent overpressure? Why do we need to depressure some facilities as well as provide overpressure protection? How can we identify deficiencies, particularly in older systems that may or may not meet current standards? What factors govern relief valve selection? If we do not have a good understanding of the principles that govern relief and flare design and operation, we are not likely to adequately update and maintain our relief and flare system. While many companies have specialist support available, those resources are usually available on specific request rather than for routine work. Without a basic understanding of the subject, we may not know when to call in a specialist. This module is at the core level, vocabulary and concepts rather than quantitative solutions. It is a useful start from which you can progress as you need increased competency in the subject. This PetroSkills PetroAcademy skill module covers the introduction to relief and flare systems at the core competency level. This lesson discusses overpressure. This section will cover the following learning objectives: classify and discuss the typical causes of overpressure, and identify the overpressure protection options.